Here's a pair of JLab Studio wireless headphones. Going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Android phone or a Samsung Galaxy phone, okay? In this video, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy S20. So very simple here. So if we look at the right side here, we see volume up, down, and the power button. So let me turn these on first, okay? Oh, actually, let me turn these off. Let me turn it off first. Okay, it just said goodbye. Now it's off. Now let me press and hold for about 3 seconds till it turns on. It just said you're connected, battery full. Now, once you press and hold for a few seconds, if you're not connected to nothing, you should get a blue and red light blinking, which indicates it's in pairing mode. Mine's not in pairing mode because it's connected to a different device, okay? So let me do this. Let's connect to another phone of mine. Let me turn these off first now. It just said goodbye. Now it's off. Now I'm going to press and hold, and I'm going to keep on holding until it's in pairing mode now, okay? Ready? Power button here. Ready? Press and hold. Keep on holding. Hello? Ready to pair. Now I'm going to let go of that power button. Now it's blinking red and blue, indicating we are in pairing mode, okay? So now we're in pairing mode. Now let's go to our Android phone or my Samsung Galaxy phone here. We're going to go to settings. And then from settings, you want to tap on connections and look for Bluetooth. Okay, so my Bluetooth is right here. Let me tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So let's turn it on. And these are still in pairing mode. So let's see if it finds it down here. Ooh, let me go back. Okay, so you have to go under available devices. And okay, it's not showing. Okay, let me scan. Click on scan. And then look under available devices down here. It's still in pairing mode. It should show up. There it is. JLab Studio there. Let's go ahead and tap on that. It says pairing. Pairing request. Tap on pair. And it just said you're connected and my battery is full on here. You can see connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining as well. Now, if you guys had issues, you couldn't pair or connect, you can always factory reset these as well. Look at the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these, okay? Anyway, good luck.